And look at that, I managed to record 3 or 4 videos today, to 15, to 16, to 17, and to 18. And it didn't even occur to me that I am, kind of lazy, procrastinating. It's not that it's just that there are circumstances that happen, like life happens, so I just need to not be a prisoner of my own prison, which is my routine. So it's not really a routine that I need to strictly adhere. It's a suggestion of the things that I need to do, and it is a goal that I want to accomplish. And one of the goals that I want to accomplish is produce 365 videos about my daily life. So it's not really about me inputting a video every day. It's just that I need to input a 365 video, because routine should not be um strict, because once you, or your goal should not be that strict, because if you have this goal and you kind of lost the momentum or miss once, you're gonna regret it. You will feel guilty, and there are unforeseen circumstances that prevents you from doing that thing. But as we move forward, it is important to be lenient on yourself as well, because not every day you can do all the things that you prefer. And if you want to stick with it, it's good, but at the end of the day, what you are trying to accomplish is not a ga- I'm sorry, it's not a task or goals that you need to accomplish on the whole year. It's a lifestyle you need to imagine yourself living through with it. So I'm doing calisthenics right now. Do I think that I will do calisthenics for the rest of my life? No. I might do it for 5 years, 6 years, who knows, or 1 to 2 years. It doesn't matter. What I'm trying to accomplish is I want to be healthy. So as of right now, I'm fully focused on calisthenics, and that's a good thing. So if I happen to change it in some form or some way, I would be open to it, because at the end of the day, I want to live a lifestyle of a healthy person who exercise weekly. Doesn't matter how much exercise do I need to do, as long as I can take care of my body, I'm not feeling tired at the end of my week, and that should be enough for me. And as of right now, I'm fully immersed in doing workout, and I can see my body shaping up. Yeah.